Today in class 4 I draw here a boat which is just landed on the river. Here for this boat it has two parts, inner parts and outer parts. I do now here the inner parts. These are the inner walls of the boat, and this is the outer wall, and this is the engine, and it is the fuel emitter. These are the grasses present, and it is binded with a pole here. I color it in pastel, polo oil pastel, which is more smooth for coloring. At the background side here has a cottage. Also it is, and it is a factory, maybe of coal. This is also a cottage. Now the shadow of these two cottages and this one will be on the water. Here the boat, the length of the boat is too much short, but you can also increase the length of this boat in this side. Now I color it. At first I color the sky as per the rule of the painting. This is sky blue. This is the color of water, and you must do it in horizontal sense. Don't pull the color in vertical sense, because this is the rule of painting, and we know the water be at always in the same plane, so you must follow this rule. Now I use deep blue color here, a deep portion of sky blue, and after that it is Prussian blue. The darkness of this portion must be greater, because here the shadow of this boat must lie on it. You can also use black color in case of this Prussian blue color, and again use sky blue here. Now this is the land. The color of it is light green, and at the upper side it will be yellow color. You may also use lemon yellow color in this case. It is brown. Now at this portion you have to use gray color. And at this side it is sky blue, and also mix this sky blue to gray with white color as I do. Follow the rule as I do here. Also, for more better visualization, you can also use here black color. This is black. It is brown in shade. Prussian blue. This is another side's wall of this factory, so I use here deep yellow color. You can also use sap green color in case of these scarves. It is lemon yellow, and it is not necessary to use here the light green color, as with the mixing of the medium green and lemon yellow the color light green already occur. These are the colors which are more nearer than this, so obviously you should highlight these colors. I use light green here. Then medium green. It is Prussian blue for more highlight. Then finally color the cottage. I use here red. It is also red, and this is orange. Do the door black. You can also use Prussian blue at the door and windows. This is gray in color. Also use sky blue, and the shadow of this cottage will be in here. These are the shadows. Also for this factory the shadows must be in here. The rule of coloring is that you must color the main object finally. As in this case my main object is here this boat, so I color this boat finally. This is dark green as shade, and also later on I use the Prussian blue color. This is Prussian blue. also it is black. This is here the pillar, so I color it black. It is not necessary to color this. You also use black color as shadow of this boat on the water. Now I color this boat as Prussian blue at first at the inner side. This is Prussian blue, and at the outer side I also use here Prussian blue color. And at the upper portion I use medium yellow. Medium yellow color. And I use orange color here as shade, both at the inner and outer portion. These are the inner and this one is the outer portion. Now gray at the floor of the boat. This is floor. I use here brown color and it is black. I said previously that in this image, in this painting, this boat is the main object, and you see that I color it later. And you also, one of the most necessary fact is that you have to choose the main object at first of this painting, and then you have to color it at last, finally. This is engine and I use dark brown color here. You can see that the color is too much smooth here, and also you mix this black color with the page of the paper by using white color. Here I use white color to mix these all sky blue colors with the page. This is deep blue color. And this shadow of this boat will be on the water also, so I use here medium yellow color. And at this portion the shadow of this engine will be, so it is orange in color. This is yellow again Prussian blue, then this is yellow ochre. So the painting is already done, and you can also give here some birds. One more advice for you, you can subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for getting more and more videos as I give in this channel, and more classes. This channel must be helpful for you and your competition purpose. Thank you.